Good morning, my kids. Welcome to my classroom. This is Miss Sarah with you. Today, we will learn about letter D. Say good morning to letter D. Good morning, letter D. This is a capital D and this is a small d. Capital D, small d. Repeat after me. Capital D, small d. Now, let's make the letter D sound. The sound of letter D is D, D, D. Repeat after me. D, 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 D. And now, we will know some vocab about letter D. D is for do. Da, da, do. Da, da, do. And D is for dog. Da, da, dog. Da, da, dog. Let's continue. Wow! It's a duck. Da, da, duck. Da, da, duck. Wow! It's a dolphin. Repeat after me. Da, da, dolphin. Da, da, dolphin. Now, let's revise. D is for da, 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 da. D is for dog, da, da, dog. D is for duck, da, da, duck. D is for dolphin, da, da, dolphin. D door, D dog, D duck, D dolphin. At last, I have a question for you. Where is dolphin live? Yes, dolphin lives in water. Yes, dolphin lives in water. Thank you. See you later.